Hey guys, it's Liz, and today we're going to be making coconut snowballs. This is one of my absolute favorite recipes. It's vegan, it's gluten-free, it's easy to make, will be done in 5 minutes, and you can save this for up to a week for an anytime snack or a grab-and-go treat. Today's recipe uses minimal ingredients and includes all the 3 macronutrients that you need in a healthy diet. So we got the healthy carbs, we got the healthy fats, and we have extra protein. So this is a great anytime snack for you, or if you're craving something sweet and delicious, this is a great fat-burning food option. So to get started, we're going to take 2 cups of walnuts, add it into your food processor. Then toss in 8 to 10 pitted medjool dates. From there, grab your vanilla protein powder. I like to look for plant-based options. You got 1 to 2 scoops of that, toss it in, and then last but not least, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Once you have all your ingredients in the food processor, go ahead and put the lid on and start to pulse it until it begins to form a dough. It usually takes a couple minutes, but once it starts to form a dough, go ahead and keep pulsing it to make sure that it's thoroughly mixed. And then you want to lay down a piece of parchment paper. I like to add my shredded unsweetened coconut here. I use about 1/4 to 1/2 cup. And then I'll take the dough out and form the dough into 1-inch balls. From there, using your hands, you're just gonna roll them up into a ball and then roll it around in the coconut to coat it into a coconut snowball. So this takes a little bit of practice. You might need to, depending on the type of coconut and how shredded it is, you might need to kind of use your fingers to press it in there. But you're just gonna roll it until it's coated and then continue to repeat this until you've made all the rest of the dough. So once you are finished rolling all your coconut snowballs in the coconut, then you can either serve them right away, put them in a cute little dish, or you can put them in a Tupperware container and store them in the fridge for up to 1 week. So there you have it. That is today's fat-burning food recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, make sure you come back to watch the rest of the fat-burning food series.